Hi folks, welcome once again to R&R Commercials here in Rotherham. Today we have got a 69 plate Ford Transit Courier Trend. And the first thing I'm going to say is that if you're wanting a bright little van, I don't think you're going to get any brighter than this. So as normal, direct from the fleet company, so one owner before, full service history. It's covered 98,000 miles, so up on miles but down on price. Last serviced by ourselves at 98,000 miles. Cam belt due at 120 or 10 years, whichever comes first. Being the trend model, it's got the wheel trims on, colour coded front bumper. Also as well, it's got the all important air conditioning, 6-speed box, DAB radio. As usual, I forgot to open the doors, so we shall have a wander around and do that. One day I will get used to doing these videos. So 2 keys with this van. So as you can see from in there, a very tidy example. Also comes with the automatic headlights, and I think it does come with the front fog lights. Yes, it does. So looks like it's got a decent set of Hankook tyres on it. So in the back, it's all ply lined out. There you go. Jack and wheel brace is actually there, but underneath is a brand new tyre on the spare wheel. So that's all our vehicles. Comes with 3 months EA warranty. That's nationwide. You can upgrade your warranty from 3 months to 2 years, 6 months, 12 months, whatever you fancy. Another thing to bear in mind is that we are members of the South Yorkshire Trading Standards Partnership. So, and if you are after finance, pop to our website, Evolution Funding, that's who we use. They use over 30 different lenders, so we should be able to assist with any credit rating. Any further information, give us a call on 01709 554 644, or call in and see us Meadowbank Road, just off junction 34 of the M1 near Meadowhall. Thank you.